Once upon a time, in a snug little house at the end of Poppy Street, lived a boy named Tom. Tom was known throughout the neighborhood for two things: his love for biscuits and his unbreakable word. No matter who you asked, everyone agreed, Tom never lies. One sunny afternoon, Tom's mother announced in despair, "Someone has been stealing our biscuits." Her voice echoed in the kitchen as she held up an empty biscuit tin for everyone to see. Tom's little brother, Sam, and their fluffy dog, Muffin, both looked guilty as crumbs tumbled from their mouths simultaneously. "It wasn't me," insisted Sam, his eyes wide as saucers. "Woof," barked Muffin, wagging his tail, oblivious to the accusation. But Tom wasn't sure. After all, he had noticed the dwindling supply too, and it upset him deeply to think there might be a mystery thief right in his own home. "I'll find out who the biscuit thief is," declared Tom with determination, his mouth set in a firm line. His mother, arms folded with skepticism, shook her head. "And how are you planning to prove who it was, my dear truthful Tom? Without cameras or traps, you'll need to be as clever as a fox." Tom thought long and hard. Then an idea popped into his head, causing his eyes to glimmer with mischief. He ran to his room and dug out a bag of green pea-flavored biscuits he'd gotten as a joke gift. They were dreadful, but this was just the solution he needed. Under the cover of twilight, Tom replaced the regular biscuits with the pea-flavored ones. If someone was sneaking around for a midnight snack, they'd be in for quite the surprise. The next morning, shrill cries of disgust echoed through the house. "Ew! What are these?" shouted Sam from the kitchen. And nearby, Muffin, the dog, was found sprawled on the living room carpet with a half-chewed green biscuit, looking none too pleased. With a smile bigger than the moon, Tom waltzed into the kitchen. "Gotcha both," he laughed. "And looks like Muffin is getting an alibi for not eating these funny biscuits." Sam blushed, his fingers still crumbling a green biscuit he dared to taste. Okay, maybe I took a few, but Muffin always joined me." Tom's mother couldn't help but chuckle. "Well, Tom, you've proven both your smarts and honesty today. Perhaps next time, ask before treating yourselves to more than a couple of biscuits, all right?" From that day on, neither crumbs nor biscuits mysteriously vanished. And Tom, proud of his clever yet honest way of solving the mystery, became the official Keeper of Biscuits. Everyone in the household agreed that under Tom's watchful eye, not a single biscuit would go missing, unless intended. In all fairness, however, it was also agreed those pea biscuits should be put away indefinitely.